How to log out Outlook in laptop and PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Outlook, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen, in here click on Account at the left side and then click on Manage which account you want to remove. Then, in here, scroll down and you'll find Remove. Simply click on Remove in here. Then click on Remove again, and this account will be removed from your laptop and PC. This is how to log out Outlook in laptop and PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below.